My name is Rob Giordano. I am the president of Technical Steel Corp. The Toro buildings are very easy to customize. It's easy to put up. The steel inside is fantastic. I bought it for that reason. They helped me stick to my timelines. I had very tight timelines to get the building up, and the building went up really, really fast. It was fantastic. Would definitely recommend Toro. I've sent multiple customers and friends of mine over to Toro already. It's economical, they're great, they make the process very simple.
My name is Glenn Pestrin and I'm the CEO of Modular Precast. Because of Toro, we got up and running so quickly. Because of that, I was able to generate revenues much quicker. It's a very, very, very simple solution, so there's not much that can go wrong with it. Zero maintenance, zero fuss, no special product that you have to order from the other side of the world if something goes wrong. Simple, integrated, well thought out. If they say, Glenn, you got to build another Toro building, I'll do it tomorrow morning.
I've had this building up now for 4 years, and it still looks like I just installed it yesterday. In a day and age where customer service is non-existent, they went above and beyond. They exceeded my expectations.